Hello and welcome to another video walk around by myself, Parker, and today we're going to be looking at a 2019 Toyota C-HR XLE Premium. This is a 4-door, 5-passenger hatchback in blue Eclipse metallic. And under the hood you'll find a 2-liter, 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 18-inch alloy wheels. Some of your exterior features include your automatic headlamps with power folding mirrors and your smart key entry for your convenience. Now why don't we head inside and see what else this C-HR has to offer. So helping us inside, we've got our smart key system fob right over here. We've got the lock and unlock button plus our panic button as well. So we'll unlock one time for the driver's side door, twice for all four. You can see we have our signal light as well. So I'll show you what that smart key system does. You can see we've got these two lines. We'll place our finger right there and that locks the doors up and the mirrors fold right in. And in order to get inside, all we'll do is place our hand in the handle. Mirrors pop right out. So we'll open right up. Check out our door panel. We've got all 4 window buttons all automatic up and down. We've got the lock and unlock, plus we have our window lock, and we have the automatic switch right here for the folding mirrors, plus we have the mirror adjust as well, and some space just underneath for whatever you might need to pop in there. You just unlock all the doors and we will check out our back seat. Lots of space back here. Decent amount of room with those seats, all plush. We've got our cup holder just in the door with the automatic window button just right there. So we'll hop inside. And we'll start it up. Again, with that smart key system, all we have to do is press the brake and start it up. So we're going to be using the right-hand side of the steering wheel to navigate through our multi-information display right over here. To look through a few things, some nice readouts, everything you need, nothing you don't. Let's go right back to our main screen. And so also on the right-hand side, we have the lane departure alert, and we have dynamic radar cruise control with cruise control just behind our right-hand side. On the left-hand side, we've got our cluster for the entertainment system. We've got our mode selector, channel selector. We also have the volume buttons. And then we've got the hands-free calling, plus we have our voice recognition as well. Checking out our entertainment system, we've got the phone, we've got our audio system, and then our consumption rates right over there, so we can look at our menu, a few different things. We've got our projection up on the upper right hand side right here for our Apple CarPlay, and we can look at our audio as well, looking at a few different things over here. We've got all of our presets in the same menu, and then we can look at our applications. If we want our apps, all we have to do is pop this open right here, and we can download any other ones, anything else from the Entune app suite if we need. So we will pop it into reverse, check out our backup camera, very crisp view of what we've got going on behind us. So we'll look down and we'll get our dual climate system working over here, operated via paddle. Up and down on all of them works. And we've got our heated seats as well for both the passenger and driver with the rain sensing windshield wipers as well. A little further down, you can see we've got our USB and auxiliary with a cup holder, and then we have our manual mode in case we want to have a little more fun when we're driving. Then we also have our automatic park brake, that all we have to do is be engaged in the brake and press down on that button, and that deactivates it, or we pull up and that activates. And we also have brake hold, which is a fun feature to come and try out. Then we've got our 12-volt DC outlet just inside our center console. A little further down, we've got our cubby hole, our glove box with lots of room inside there for anything we might need, keeping it stashed away. Now why don't we head back and take a look at cargo. Before we hop into the cargo area, a few things of note. We've got our backup camera just underneath our emblem. We've also got our rear window wiper, plus the inlaid defrost in the back window with our nice spoiler. And we've got the shark fin antenna right there. And we have our light bar just in the spoiler as well. So we'll open right up. and we can check out our cargo space. You can see we've got those 60/40 splitting rear seats in case you need to pop anything longer in here. Plus we've got the privacy screen with the indentations here, making sure nothing rolls around too much. Some storage space on the left and right hand side. And we can pop this right open to check out our spare tire and all of the tools we'll need to change that if circumstances arise. So we'll close right up. Let's take a last look at our 2019 Toyota C-HR XLE Premium. Some other features include your Apple CarPlay that is integrated with your Entune audio system, and your Toyota Safety Sense that includes your blind spot monitoring and your rear cross traffic alert. But there's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you. Come in and take it for a test drive. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. Thank you again for watching this walk around video. My name is Parker, and until we see you, drive safe.